Okay, now welcome back. This is going to be the last and final series of the promo apps for agents. Okay, and right now we are getting ready to highlight and copy and paste our embedded code with the agents banners on the Canvas platform, on the open platform for MySpace. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up your WordPad with the embedded code for the game that you're going to be using. Let's go ahead and highlight it, copy, minimize window. Let's click on the canvas, on the blank canvas surface, and let's paste. Okay, now real quick, let's go ahead and double check our embedded code. Make sure everything is nice and neat. Make sure everything is done right. Make sure we got your width and your height changed. Make sure you got your proper codes added in. Make sure your codes are connected. If you see a little mistake, just go ahead and go over it real quick. So once you have done this, go and click on Save Application Source. And after you have done that, you will see where it says success. Once you see it say success, let's go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of the screen and let's click on this little link right here. Once you have done that, this will open up a page and show you what your promo app is actually going to look like with the banners added on. Okay? Now, usually some of the games, the screen will be flush with the bottom of the banners and the top of the banners. But sometimes, even whenever you do your height and width right, it will actually put the promo app in the middle of the banners. Okay, so if it looks like this, that's fine. But if you have a promo app where your game screen is actually coming above your banner, go ahead and mess with your height and width until you get the proper look of it being flush with the banners on top and bottom. And basically, if you want, go ahead and double check, make sure the game works. And this is a real quick tip: if you have a game that requires that you use your arrow keys to control your game, just delete it. It's going to be denied due to the fact that your arrow keys also control your web page for MySpace. So due to that, they will deny the application because it's considered interference with the MySpace web page. Okay, so if you have a game that requires arrow keypads to be used, go ahead and delete the promo app and go ahead and start on a new one. Also as well, another thing I forgot to mention in the first video, do a little homework on researching your promo app. Okay, make sure that the promo app does not exist on MySpace already. Okay, if it already exists, it will be denied as well. So go ahead and do a little research before you actually start doing the promo app. I am sorry I forgot to mention this earlier, but I mention it now, so when you do other promo apps in the future, you know to do a little homework and research your game before you go ahead and start doing the promo app itself and turning it into MySpace to have it either denied or approved. Okay, so now once you have reviewed your promo app and how it looks, and if it looks correct in all ways, let's go ahead and come over here to the top right here and click on Edit App Information. Edit App Information is going to be your window where you will actually add your pictures or your images for the game app, and as well you will give an application description. You see language right here, we're going to go ahead and leave it on English. You see application title, which is the name of the game. Then you see application description. Let's go ahead and give a little small description of the game of what exactly it is. It doesn't have to be something really detailed, just something really simple and easy. Now after you have done the description, go in where you see small icon 16 by 16, large icon 64 by 64. This is where you will add your image for the application. So just go and click on the 16 by 16, and you will add your picture for the image of 16 by 16, and do the same as well for the 64 by 64. Okay, so now you have done that. Now let's scroll down to the bottom of the screen a little bit more. You will see app category, default gallery, and of course, again, leave your language at English. Now you got primary category, secondary category. Your primary category will be games, due to the fact that it is a game, and then your secondary category will be fun stuff. Now if you're doing a promo app and it turns out to be a video or a different type of application, you can go and categorize it to the proper category. But if you're doing a promo app game, let's go ahead and use your primary category games, secondary category fun stuff. Now underneath that, you will see callback URL settings. That we're going to leave alone. Scroll down some more. You will see oath settings, and again, we'll leave that alone. And now you will see other settings. You see app age setting. This is right here where you can control your age setting for the game. If you have a game that you think might be a little bit too graphic or too mature for a 16-year-old or a 12-year-old, let's go ahead and change your ages to be on the safe side so it's not denied. If not, if it's appropriate for all ages, leave it at all ages. Okay, so you got these three selections right here. And once you have select your age setting, go ahead and come down to the bottom and click on save. Now once it's successful, it will take you to the top of the screen and you will see update successful. After you see that, go and click on my apps again. And now you will see where it says Build-A-Bot 3. It will show you the picture. It tells you total installs, profile account, which is your email address that you use for the promo app. Right here you see app status development, and underneath that you see publish. Okay, click on publish, and after you have done that, it will change your status to pending. Okay, so this means now you have turned the game over to MySpace to review the promo app, and if all goes good, it will change your status to live. I will show you what a promo app looks in live mode. Okay, this right here, you see how it says total installs 1,371. You see app status, it says live. When you see this showing you that your app status is live, that's when you go ahead and turn the game over to admin and let them know we got a live game. Okay, but as soon as you change your status to app pending, we'll go ahead and log out of MySpace and re-log back in using the email address that you use for the promo app. Okay, so if you're doing multiple promo apps, you can go ahead and log out and start doing this next step after you have already changed all the status to pending mode. Okay, we'll go ahead and log in. Okay, now once you have logged into the profile for that game app, sorry about that, you're going to go ahead and go to profile, click on edit profile. Okay, and now you're going to grab one of your banner codes for agents. Any banner code you want to use, go ahead and copy it. We're going to come over here and click on about me and paste it. Okay, now let's go ahead and bring it down a little bit, and in the about me section, go ahead and just give a little quick description of the game. And then go ahead and click on save changes, and now you're done. So once your video goes live, you're good to go. All is well. If you have any questions, just go ahead and message me. Thank you. Have a nice day.